Time for a little experiment for all you OET learners. Now, I made a video about my audio recordings, the OET Roleplays, which you can find on Spotify. How you can play those, shadow it for pronunciation, learn some good phrases and expressions mapped to the clinical communication skills. Okay, what we're going to try now is, can we use our artificial AI friends to be a patient? Can we use them to get role-play speaking practice? I think we can. Now, this took me quite a while to develop a prompt that AI will obey. So I got AI to tell me what prompt I should use. So I've got two. We'll try this one first and we'll see. So on my Spotify, the 6 episodes for medicine, the 6 for nursing. I've taken the doctor-patient lines out of the transcript and labeled them doctor and patient. What we're going to do, we're going to drop these in to ChatGPT, Grok, Copilot, and see what the results are. Now, I've got the pro version of Chat and the pro version of Grok, which is like currently running on, is it 4.1? So I've got like 5.1 for Chat, 4.1 for Grok, but I'm using the free version of Microsoft Copilot. Now, I tried it before, and maybe you have too. If you give it a role play card, all 3 of them will pretend to be a patient. Grok especially likes to be imaginative, takes the role of a patient. But if your command of English is not so good, that doesn't really work. You need the verbatim lines exactly as you hear it in my OET roleplay. If you want to try using AI, give it a roleplay card, get it to play the role of a patient. The only thing is, though, you've got no idea what he's going to say. He might go through the tasks on the card, just make something up, which is what I found in all my experimentations. So we'll try. What's a good one? I've transcribed all 6. We'll try this one. So what I'm going to do, so all these scripts will be available on my learning management system at Notion. I'll put all these here. I'll put a link to this, my OET Speaking Hub. I've got all the stuff here, the files, how to do it, the sort of guides, all the different transcripts, etc. Like for this one, it's all there. You've got the audio, you've got the transcript. Yeah. So you've got the doctor line, the patient line mapped to the criteria. So that's for you to read and follow when you're using the OET roleplay. But if we want to just talk, let's see. So we'll try it with Chat first. So this is this roleplay here. Okay, so drop it in. Good morning. I'm Dr. Cartier, one of the doctors here at the clinic. Could I confirm your name, please? That doesn't seem to be working. It said the connection was not so good. So let's try Copilot then. So talk to Copilot. Is this going to work?
Welcome back, Kevin and Dean. Let's jump right back in.
Good morning, I'm Dr. Cartier, one of the doctors here at the clinic. Could I confirm your name, please?
Yes, it's Mr. Dean.
Thank you, Mr. Dean. I understand you're here for a follow-up about your son's asthma diagnosis. Is that correct?
Yes, he was diagnosed a couple of days ago after we went to the emergency department.
Thanks for sharing that. So, can you tell me how has he been since his hospital visit?
Mm-hmm.
So, how has he been since a hospital visit?
He's been okay, mostly. He's only had one attack since then. We used the inhaler and the spater they gave us, and it seemed to help.
That's really good to hear. Can you tell me a little more about what you noticed during that attack? What seemed to trigger it?
It happened after he'd been running around outside.
So, Copilot, not too bad. If you drop in the exact prompt and the script, it seems to work. Let's try it with Grok. Okay. Hello, good morning. I'm Dr. Cartier, one of the doctors here at the clinic. Could I confirm your name, please?
Yes, it's Mr. Dean.
Thank you, Mr. Dean. I understand you're here for a follow-up about your son's asthma diagnosis. Is that correct?
Yes. He was diagnosed a couple of days ago after we went to the emergency department.
Very good. Now let's try. Did we do it with? Yeah, so we've done it with Copilot, we've done it with Grok. We'll try it with chat, see if the connection is better. Good morning, I'm Dr. Cartier, one of the doctors here at the clinic. Could I confirm your name, please?
Yes, it's Mr. Dean.
Thank you, Mr. Dean. I understand you were here for a follow-up about your son's asthma diagnosis. Is that correct?
Yes, he was diagnosed a couple of days ago after we went to the emergency department.
Sweet. So, that works. Now, the next step. Make recordings that you can send to me so I can give you an analysis of pronunciation, etc. So, I recommend using Audacity. It's free, open source. Okay, you can just find it on the internet. Audacity free download. Audacity download. Right, so you get it. When you get it open, what you do is audio setup, host. Click on this. So this records your microphone and the computer sound, the sound of the AI. Or get your phone, your tablet. If you want, get your tablet, your phone, put it in between, record it like that. If you do this, this is good, and I'll show you why. So, we'll try it again. I'll start the recording. I'll drop in the script. So we'll try, well, they all kind of work. So, I'll do it. I'll get a new chat. Right, so it's always good. Get a new chat open. All right, get it's new. Then what did I copy and paste? So we'll try a different one for now. This is the one about the diabetes guy. This is from OET official number 3. So I'll put that in there. Drop it in. We'll just let it think, load up. Should be working. It just worked. Is it going to work? Oh, it's kind of slow. Come on. So that's not working. I don't know why. Okay. I don't want that's it. Voicey mode. So, right. Again, takes a bit of arsing. So, start the record. So, you can see it's a wave. That's my voice. Let's see if it works. Good morning. I'm Dr. Cartier, one of the doctors here today. Could I check how you'd like me to address you?
Patient. Morning, doctor. Just call me Mr. Dean. That's fine.
Thank you, Mr. Dean. So tell me, what's brought you in to see me today?
Patient. Well, over the past few weeks, I've just been feeling really tired and generally unwell. It's been getting worse, and I started to get worried.
I see. Could you describe in a bit more detail what you've been experiencing?
Patient. Some days I feel dizzy, other times I get really thirsty, and lately I've noticed I'm getting short of breath, and my skin's been itchy.
Thank you for explaining that. I can hear it's been troubling you. So how has this been affecting your daily life?
Patient. To be honest, it's been quite hard. Busy office job, 3 teenage kids, stressful, no time to exercise.
So you stop it, rewind it. Now I want to make it a bit louder, right? So click on Control A, go to Effect, Amplify, a bit louder. Maybe that's too loud. Record. So you can see it's a wave. That's my voice. Let's see if it works. Okay. Let's have a listen. Record. So you can see it's a wave. That's my voice. Let's see if it works. Good morning. I'm Dr. Cartier, one of the doctors here today. Could I check how you'd like me to address you?
Patient. Morning, doctor. Just call me Mr. Dean. That's fine.
Thank you, Mr. Dean. So tell me, what's brought you in to see me today?
Patient. Well, over the past few weeks, I've just been feeling really tired.
Okay, that's a little bit loud, and there's different effects that you can use. You can turn down the amplification, compress it. I run it through noise removal, noise reduction. I put the EQ and filters. You can, you can find out, just like do a quick Google search, find a tutorial. It'll explain what different effects. Maybe I'll make a video. I don't want to explain it now. That's up to you. But anyway, so this gives you the basic idea of how it works. Right? It seems to work. So the secret is prompt engineering, as always, right? You've got to get the precise prompt, and I tested several different versions out on Grok, DeepSeek, all these different tools to find one that seems to work. Now, you notice the second time it said patient, it gave a patient line, but still it was more or less, it seemed to be word for word. So it does work. The question is, getting the prompt right, getting the script right. So I've been working on all the scripts. I copied them out. I'm going to put them on my Notion LMS. And there you go. That's a method. You can try it. See what you think of it. Let me know in the comments if it worked, what you thought about it. Anyway, so the idea is that you go to Spotify, listen to those first, do the shadowing and so on, read the transcript, learn some phrases. Practice with me on my talkie, links below, or do it with your artificial friend of your choice. But don't forget, you need to record it so you can play it back. Either send the audio to me or play it back and have a listen. Compare your version with the Spotify. Do you show intonation? To show empathy? How does it sound? What's your pronunciation like, etc. So that's the 3 stages, right? So you practice with Spotify first. You do it in ChatGPT, whoever, record it, and then get somebody, or do it yourself, do an analysis of your performance. Okay, right, that's about all I've got time for. I've got some students coming very soon, so I've got to call this quits. So I hope that helps. Links below. Any comments, questions, feel free to get in touch. Okay, hope that helps.